Tandaan niyo po kung anong ibig sabihin ng busy. Spell busy. B-U-S-Y. Remember this. Busy is being under Satan's yoke. Masayang demonyo kapag marami kang ginagawa kasi yung trabaho mo, yung ginagawa mo, nilalayo ka niyan sa Diyos. Di po ba? Meaning nyo, just a gentle reminder, my dear friends, the Lord did not made you just to work. Amen? Why did God made you? So that God can love you. Kung gusto lang pala ng Diyos na magtrabaho ka na magtrabaho, dapat hindi ka niya ginawang tao. Dapat ginawa ka na lang niyang robot o makina. At tanong ko po, robot ka ba? Makina ka ba? Bakit wala kang tigil? Bakit hindi ka humihinto? May I remind you once again that you are called a human being. You are not a human doing.